What's up, weirdos? Good morning. What's going on? Let's talk a little Bitcoin. Is it time for Bitcoin to have a bit of a correction over the weekend? And the altcoins, too. They seem to be bleeding a little more, obviously, than Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Jasmy. We're going to talk about ZBEC and ISO 20022 compliance. Let's get into it, guys. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe on the way in. It's absolutely free to do, and it helps the channel grow. Be greatly appreciated, guys. All right, let's get into it here. What do we have? Like I said, across the market, a little bit of red, a good DCA opportunity. I know people get tired of hearing, oh, it's a DCA opportunity, but at some point in the very near future, you're going to be out of DCA opportunities, and you're going to be very frustrated with the fact that you want more DCA opportunities, right? So not financial advice, but take advantage of these situations while you can, right? Going a little bit broader, let's go look at the top 100. MYX, another big correction. Pump.fund correcting. Floki seems to be having itself a nice little run today, though. But yeah, everything else, guys, it's just healthy. After the big run we've had over the last week, it's healthy to have a little bit of a correction followed by a little bit of a consolidation, right? And speaking of that, let's go look at the Bitcoin chart and see what it looks like for consolidation potential. All right, guys, looking at Bitcoin here, we've corrected a minor correction today so far. $121,771 right now. We've rejected off resistance here. The highest daily candle close in Bitcoin history at $123,319. Now, can we retest and hold 121,000 as support? Here's what I think would be healthy right now, guys. Just a few days, maybe leading into Tuesday or Wednesday next week. Just a wee bit of consolidation, right? A little bit of a bull pennant, forming here would be good. Build up a little bit of consolidation, would give altcoins a chance to start to try to pump to catch up to Bitcoin's price action. Don't be surprised to see a reversal tomorrow and see everything that's red today be green tomorrow by about the same percentage, right? So I wouldn't be surprised to see this. A little bit of consolidation, 3, maybe 4 days. Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Tuesday, we start to move our way up again, right? So yeah. And then we do have the FOMC meeting at the end of the month. So we could see closer to the end of the month, around that FOMC meeting, when we get the rate cut, which I think there's like a 91% chance of a rate cut now. That is where we could likely see a little bit of a sell the news event, which we often do, because obviously part of this big rally is the market pricing in another rate cut this month, right? So when we actually get the rate cut, we'll probably see a little bit of a dip. But how high can we get before that time? If we can get up to around $140,000 to $142,000, maybe a little bit of a correction down to about 138, 37,000 on the correction from that move would be great to end the month of October right around there, followed by November, maybe into December, working our way up to about 150, 160,000, which would be the top, in my opinion, for Bitcoin. And then altcoin season can truly, the parabolic phase of the altcoin season can truly begin, right? That's kind of how I see things playing out. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, guys, Decent Biometric Wallets. Keep your crypto safe, keep it off of exchanges, and keep it in your own self-custody. You can swap, take profits, and even stake your crypto and gain interest right on your Decent wallets. If you use our link in the description, you're going to get yourself a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet today, or get the card wallet, even cheaper. But I prefer the biometric wallet fingerprint technology. Even if you lost it or someone stole it, they couldn't get into it without your fingerprint. So they'd have to steal your thumb too. So yeah, again, use our link down below, guys. Get a phenomenal deal. All right, and in regards to altcoin season versus Bitcoin, shout out to Crypto Gems for this. So we've had the bottom here, you have your 2021 broadening wedge pattern going on here, or the megaphone pattern, whatever you want to refer to it as, right? This is how it played out in 2021. You had your break above right here, if you can see my cursor, right? You had your break above, your retest, and then you went parabolic. Well, look where we are. 2024, 2025, exactly the same thing. We have our megaphone structure. We've broken above. We have confirmed our breakout here on the retest. This is altcoins versus Bitcoin, and we are just primed for kaboom to the upside, right? So altcoin season is coming, guys. Now, Bitcoin obviously has to top first, as I talked about yesterday, but altcoins are not just going to idle sideways while Bitcoin goes on a parabolic run. Altcoins are going to continue to slowly melt their way upwards as Bitcoin continues to climb, and then you'll start to see that capital rotation into the altcoins, and that, my friends, is truly, truly going to be something memorable that's going to change your life forever if you made the right decisions in this market. All right, guys, courtesy of Crypto Chrome, we're going to have a look at ISO 200.22 breaking news. Kills paper checks, baby. And here's the thing. We know that ZBEC is going to be ISO 200.22 compliant by the end of 2025. It's on their roadmap, guys. Here's the thing. Music's a little bit loud, so I had to stop it there. But yes, ZBEC chasing ISO 200.22 compliance, which is the direction we are moving in. It's going to be alongside the heavy hitters, your quants, your XRPs, your XLMs, and so much more, guys. If you're not bullish, you better check your pulse, my friends. Think you got chops as a trader? We've partnered with BTCC to have a trading challenge, guys. You can win PlayStation 5s, Beast Fit Pros, MacBook Airs, Apple Vision Pros, Rolexes, Tesla Model 3s, and Lamborghini Urus. Guys, check it out today. Use our link down below to join the trading challenge. You don't want to miss out on it, my friends. Get in where you fit in, not financial advice. But let's see what you got. All right, guys, let's talk. Jasmy and Panasonic report first phase of progress on the IoT blockchain platform development. So Jasmy and Panasonic combined to develop a platform that integrates personal data with information from connected devices utilizing blockchain technology. Jasmy has released details on the first phase of its collaboration with Panasonic Advanced Technologies, an Osaka prefecture firm with expertise in IoT systems. The partnership which commenced in February of 2024, aims to develop a platform that integrates personal data with information from connected devices utilizing blockchain technology. This report highlights expansions to Jasmy's personal data locker, the release of development tools, and initial applications in health and sports fan engagement as part of efforts to enable secure data management. The collaboration with Panasonic Advanced Technologies, announced in March of 2024, focuses on creating a Web3 IoT platform that links personal and device data under high security standards. Panasonic contributes its IoT knowledge and development capabilities, while Jasmy provides blockchain infrastructure, including the personal data locker. In the first phase, Jasmy's expanded PDL functions to include a smartphone app for iOS and Android, incorporating personal authentication via Japan's My Number card system. This feature enables strict identity verification by reading the cards directly. Additionally, an authority delegation function was added, allowing users to transfer data usage rights without losing overall control. The personal data locker now handles time series data from IoT devices, processing streams, and efficiently and securely. Jasmy released an IoT software development kit, or the SDK, in June of 2025, available on its developer site. There's the link. This kit supports integration of the PDL with smartphones and PC applications, simplifying connectivity for developers. A key output is the Jasmy Base app, a smartphone framework that permits the addition of sub-apps. It manages personal information in linkage with the personal data locker and provides access to various Jasmy platform functions. This app has been tested in a health promotion walking rally proof of concept involving several hundred participants over multiple months. The proof of concept uses smartphone-generated data to track and encourage physical activity. The collaboration also expands to the Seigen Tosu fan token project named Sagatsu. This service builds on the Jasmy base app by incorporating blockchain-based coupons, points, and dynamic NFTs for membership cards. These features enable fan engagement through secure, tokenized rewards and digital collectibles, fostering a deeper connection between fans and their favorite content, or athletes in this case, right? Like the soccer league or football for you in Europe. Jasmy and Panasonic intend to promote the Jasmy-based app in Japanese municipalities, enterprises, and schools to achieve broader adoption. The companies will continue their joint efforts to improve the app's core functions and further develop the platform. This includes leveraging their combined expertise to support nationwide rollout in Japan with potential for global scaling. The integration aligns with Japan's Society 5.0 initiative, which promotes the use of AI, IoT, and blockchain to create highly intelligent societies. Japan's government has shifted towards supportive Web3 policies, aiding projects like this. Jasmy's also pursued other partnerships in 2025. It collaborated with Chainlink for cross-chain interoperability and with Panasonic on pilots for monetizing data from industrial equipment. These efforts aim to enhance the platform's utility in diverse IoT applications. The global IoT sector is projected to connect 40 billion devices by 2030, increasing the need for secure data management systems like Jasmy's platform. So in conclusion, Jasmy's collaboration with Panasonic demonstrates capabilities of integrating blockchain with IoT, which is the Internet of Things, basically any device that has a connection to the internet, right? For secure data handling, as seen in PDL enhancements, SDK releases, and proof of concept applications. The platform's focus on user-controlled data management addresses key challenges in the growing IoT landscape, supported by partnerships and alignments with government policies. This positions Jasmy to contribute to data security in connected environments, emphasizing practical implications over speculative gains. Absolutely bullish, guys. I cannot wait for this platform to be active. It's going to be one more massive catalyst for Jasmy in the future. Have you always wanted to learn how to trade so that you could make money even when the market is red and going sideways? Join me and thousands of other members today in our trading group, where we have everyone from novices to veterans over there, helping each other, pointing out trade opportunities, whether you want to use leverage trading, you want to learn how to put in longs, shorts, or you want to play it safe and you just want to do spot swing trades so you don't end up getting liquidated ever. All of our courses are free to our Patreon members. So jump aboard today, guys. Learn how to do things properly in a risk-free environment. We also have demonstrations and examples, and we teach you how to use the demo mode on BTCC so you can practice learning how to trade with monopoly money, essentially, without risking your own money. So jump aboard today, guys. Get all the help that you need. We have just been crushing it on our trades. We drop trades every single day, sometimes 2 to 3 of them, and so much more. You can book one-on-one coaching calls. You have access to all of our chat rooms with thousands of members, educational content, technical analysis training, how to do proper research in cryptos, how to find microcap gems, and everything else under the sun. Check it out today, guys. The link is in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.